Welcome to the SAS Link tutorial video series. This series of video tutorials will help you with navigating and successfully accessing your accommodations through the SAS Link accommodation portal. In this video, we will go over how to modify your accommodation request for the semester. To begin, you will open a new internet browser window and navigate to the SAS Link web page. You can easily access this page by bookmarking this website URL or by going to the SAS web page and clicking on the appropriate button to access SAS Link. Upon logging in with your TU username and password, you will be taken to this main login page. It will look similar to the main landing page prior to your land request for your faculty notification letters, with a couple differences. At the top of the page, you will notice that you can download a PDF copy of the request you initially made in the semester. As you scroll down, you will see each of your classes you made requests for and the accommodations you requested for each of them. If you are looking to modify those requests, you will navigate to the individual class request you are hoping to modify and select Modify Request. Once you have selected this, you will be taken to a second page with your previous request listed. You will see the option to select any eligibilities, also known as accommodations, that you did not previously select or that you have added since your initial request. Please be sure to select the appropriate options. As a reminder, accommodations are not retroactive and only apply moving forward from the date of the request upon which those accommodations are included. If everything in your new request is correct, select Update Request. Additionally, if you are no longer in the class or have another reason to completely cancel your request so that you no longer receive accommodations in that course, you can select Cancel Request at the top right corner of the individual class listing. Finally, you may add an additional instructor to your request so that the added instructor gets a copy of your faculty notification letter by selecting Need to add a different instructor, update it here. Once you have made the appropriate changes, it will be forwarded to your accessibility specialist for review and processing. Should you have to make any changes or need additional information, please don't hesitate to contact the office at sas@trinity.edu.